Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Bemi. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not new, thanks for coming back and tuning into my channel. So today's wig is from Beautyforever wig, and this is their body wave full fringe wig. Now let me just say, it's weird working with this wig because I've never had a full fringe wig with no form of lace. Like, this is a full wig. There's no lace closure, no lace frontal, no form of lace, no parting, nothing. It's just a wig with like bangs. But I think this is really cute. Like, I made it work. When the wig came, it was a 1B color and it was just black, boring. So I thought, you know what, I need to, you know, do some little something to it. So I bleached and dyed the hair. The only thing is I didn't include the clip of me bleaching and dyeing the hair, just because I've done it in a different video before. So if you guys would like to see how I got this color, I'm gonna insert the clip up here and down below as well in the description box. But I bleached and dyed it, and then I just added some loose curls to it, and I cut the hair as well. So the hair was definitely longer than this, but I went ahead and cut the hair. So this is what I'm working with now, and I think this is really cute. Yeah, so if you guys want to find out how I got my hair to look like this, then make sure you stay tuned and carry on watching. Also, I'm going to make sure to leave all the links that you guys need to know down below, so please make sure you check the description box for anything you'd like to know, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye. Okay, so this is the wig from Beautyforever hair, and as you guys can see, it is a full fringe wig. Now this is my first time working with a full fringe wig that has no form of lace. So it's all just like stitching. There's no lace closure or lace frontal, nothing. So I decided to dye the hair brown, which you guys can see. So I decided to dye the hair brown, and now I'm just going to style the hair on camera because there's not really much to do to it apart from me wearing it either straight or curly. But I think I'm going to cut the hair a bit shorter and then add some curls. That's what I'm going to do. So this is the box from Beautyforever hair, and this is what the box looks like. Obviously right now it's a bit squashed up from posting and all that stuff. I'm just gonna leave you guys to watch me style this wig, and let's see what we come up with. I'm also hoping that the fringe, that the bangs are not too full, so it doesn't look, you know, crazy.
I just wanna show you up, build you up, babysit the world, and I'm pulling up, cause I'm addicted. Get to your touch, you got me lifted. Can't get enough, we did you wrong, girl. I never do that. Even if we had a call, I never choose that. You want no drama, I let you do.
Guys, the hair feels really soft, like no lie, it feels really soft. And I'm just excited because I know this is definitely going to hold curls, because obviously it's a body wave texture and it just has some sort of texture to it. So I know for a fact it will definitely hold my curls. That's one thing I love about Beautyforever and their hair. Their hair holds curls all the time, and their hair quality is really good as well. Like, it's really soft. It's just, the hair's good. The hair's amazing. So I'm just gonna keep cutting until I'm done. I can already tell that this isn't straight, but I'm not too bothered because, like I said, I'm gonna have it curled anyway. So, and if you want yours to be like dead straight, clean cut, I said clean cut, clean cut, then you can just go in with your clippers and just use that. So just cut it and that should work.
My guys been with them from school. I'm kinda stuck, tell me what do I do? It's either them or you, and I wanna know, are you ready for me like I'm ready for ya? Baby girl, your loving got me in a choco. So I don't even wanna be a player no more. If I say I'm trouble, I'm just trying to clear my name. Your friends say that I'm trouble, trying to show you just what they want.
So now that I'm done cutting the hair, I am going to just clear up the hair on the floor. I really hate mess when I'm working, especially when it comes to hair, because obviously hair can get really messy. So I'm just going to tidy up and then I'll be back to style the hair. I really love how the hair feels. It's extremely soft, guys. Literally. And the hair's really full as well, so yeah, I'll be back.
I wanna ride for you, I wanna ride for you, I wanna hold you down, I wanna be your man, and I'm telling you, shawty, I'm different, trust me, you. It's like the world stops when I'm with you. I know, I just wanna treat you right, keep you fly, change your life, let me take your pain away. Take away your rainy days, If I say I'm trouble, I'm just trying to clear my day. If I say that I'm trouble, trying to show you, trying to show you. If I say that I'm trouble, looking this obvious, but I'm different, shawty. I know you heard it before, trust me. When I ride for you, till the end. When I hold you down, be a man, and I'm telling you, shawty, I'm different, trust me. Pull up on you anytime you call my phone. Always on my mind, girl, you bust my dome.
So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna comb out the curls and let's see how the hair looks.
For you, I do make life simple, like two thighs, two fine, no pimples, no one like you. I tried it. I just wanna show you up, build you up. Baby, say the word and I'm pulling up, cause I'm addicted. Get to your touch, you got me lifted. Can't get enough, me did you wrong, girl. I never do that, even if we had a call. I never choose that, you want no drama. I let you do what you want with me, you never.
Okay, so I've got the wig on now and this is what it looks like. You guys tell me if this isn't cute. I'm just gonna wait here for you to leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this wig. This is cute, okay? This is something different. This is really cute, and the brown color as well. Baby girl, listen, this is very chocolate girl friendly. I really like this brown color. If you guys are wondering how I got this color, I've done a video showing you guys how I got this exact brown color. So I've just done the same thing with this wig, literally the same thing. I think this is really cute. This is very light. I like this length as well. This is my new go-to length. I feel like it's very grown. I don't have much to say. You guys can see the hair speaks for itself. It's very soft, it's very full, very flowy. Beautyforever, when it comes to their hair, I absolutely love working with them because their hair takes well to bleach, takes well to dye, and it definitely holds a curl, as you guys can see. So I think this is really cute. This is very different for me because it's a full fringe and it's brown. Me. One thing I do like about the wig as well, it saved me having to do my brows because my brows aren't done. So that is a pro when it comes to wearing full fringe wigs. But guys, I really like this wig. Let me know what you guys think down below. I hope you guys like this video and you like how the wig looks on me. If you do recreate this wig and the hair color, tag me on Instagram, let me know, okay? So I'm gonna make sure to leave the link to the video where I show you guys how I got this brown color. I'll leave the link up here and down below, so please just make sure you check the description box for anything you'd like to know, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.
Like the world stops going when I'm with you.